They say they don't build them like they used to? Well, these guys do. Welcome to Green Tech. We're celebrating the legends in the driver's seat, pushing modern machines to their absolute limit. We're kicking things off in Japan with a true titan, an old-school Caterpillar D8L bulldozer. You can see the raw, incredible thrust as it carves away at the mountainside. This vintage beast proves that good engineering truly stands the test of time. Sure, it might need a little tune-up here and there, especially with that lever puller, but its power is undeniable. Let's dive in. That Tapazal mine landslide on April 23, 2021 was a close call. It's a stark reminder of the hidden dangers in open-pit mining. Thankfully, the operator and driver walked away unharmed, but it highlights just how quickly things can go wrong. A real eye-opener about the risks these dedicated folks face every day and why safety protocols are non-negotiable. Crossing that kind of river in a 50,000-pound dozer? That's not luck, it's precision. The driver had to nail every move or risk tipping, stalling, or worse. Just imagine the pressure of keeping that beast floating straight. Anyone else holding their breath watching this Volvo mini excavator climb that truck? Driver has got to have some serious skill and confidence to pull this off without ramps. My heart was in my throat watching it, thinking it was going to tip or slip. Definitely not the easiest way to load, but man, that operator deserves a standing ovation for this display of precision. When a bulldozer clears rock like this, we know it's packing serious muscle. But strength isn't enough. You've got to think ahead. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. How powerful do you think this dozer really is? It's a common misconception that tractors are immune to getting bogged down. But as we see, even these giants can find themselves in a bind. Luckily, a powerful Kirovets K739 comes to the rescue. Dive deep into the heart of a massive open pit mine, where the powerful Hitachi Zaxxas 670LC excavator is the star of the show. Watch as this high-performance machine, boasting 463 horsepower and a 4.0 cubic meter bucket, efficiently loads overburden onto a continuous flow of mining trucks. The sheer scale of the mine, with its impressive depth and multiple bench levels, is a sight to behold. Have you ever seen a brand new million-dollar machine in action? Behold, Sukit Construction's cutting-edge Cat D11T. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. Working directly within a rocky stream bed, the Cat D9T shows why it's a trusted name in heavy earth moving. Its lowered blade provides both support and direction, while precise steering prevents slippage on slick, uneven surfaces. Good job! In frozen terrain, mistakes are costly. This dozer, partially sunk in an icy mud, is being carefully extracted by a Hyundai excavator. The challenge isn't just pulling, it's doing it without stressing the frame or damaging the undercarriage. Winter doesn't forgive carelessness.
Ой, давай, ребята!
Can a wheeled tractor outpull a tracked one? This is a classic battle of strength. Watch as a powerful Kirovets K701 attempts to free a stuck T130. After the struggle comes the work. Watch this loader masterfully fill rail cars with crushed rock. Every movement is precise and economical. It's a powerful, rhythmic dance between man and machine, turning a massive job into a smooth, efficient operation. The operator makes it look easy. Wait, you gotta see this. You might think this is reckless, but nope. This move is legendary. The story goes, the operator actually got praised by Caterpillar for this brilliant maneuver. That's not just skill, that's next-level confidence. Clearing land demands more than raw power. It takes the right tool. The T130 Bulldozer, equipped with a root rake, shows how purpose-built design can handle stubborn terrain. Its wide, tooth-like blade isn't standard. It's made to grip, lift, and tear through dense roots with precision. Ever wondered what it's like inside the driver's seat? This is the operator's view from the cabin. Levers move with precision, and the bucket bites into the earth. A rare glimpse into the power and perspective of heavy machinery in action. In the quarry, precision matters. It's more than just digging. It's smart loading. The operator relies on an onboard scale to match each truck's capacity. Whether it's 12 tons or 17, every bucket is measured, every load optimized. This guy with the tractor is a real hero. Congratulations on your courage and your love for others. In Panama's rugged terrain, Transports Montejo takes on a massive mining challenge using 20 Goldhofer modular trailers. At the heart of the operation is the Komatsu PC 8000-11, an 820-ton hydraulic excavator powered by a dual-engine system delivering 4,000 horsepower. Maneuvering this behemoth across steep grades showcases both the machine's advanced engineering and the operator's steady control. Before construction can begin, the land must be reshaped. Bulldozers move together, carving deep lines with uniquely angled blades designed for maximum grip and control. This is precision work that shapes the future before a single brick is laid. From hard rock to valuable coal, the mission changes, but the power remains constant. This segment shows the incredible versatility of modern mining equipment. See how specialized machines are engineered to either fracture solid rock or carefully extract precious resources from deep within the earth. It's a classic dozer showdown, the Cat D7R2 versus the T170 in a battle of pure force. In this fight, mass is the deciding factor. The heavier Cat gets better traction, digging into the ground and easily pushing its lighter rival backward. The B10 Megabyte dozer is engineered for road construction. It combines raw power with fine precision, making it ideal for grading surfaces on difficult terrain. Its durability and stable hydraulic controls allow operators to work effectively in hills, soft ground, or even cold weather. It started with one problem. A dozer got buried in 5 feet of mud. Then, the excavator they rented to save it also got stuck. This is a classic case of a bad day getting much, much worse. Now they have 2 massive machines to rescue from the mud pit. Is this overkill? We have a powerful Scania R730 hauling a relatively small excavator. While the driver shows skill, some might say the truck is too large for this load. I find myself drawn to the steady rhythm and immense power as the dozer moves with each pass. There's a hypnotic quality to this display of raw, relentless power that I could watch for hours. When heavy machinery faces a challenge, teamwork often provides the solution. In this operation, the Liebherr pulls from the front while another dozer provides a push from behind. This collaboration demonstrates how heavy equipment working together can effectively accomplish a difficult task. Loading a heavy dozer presents inherent risks, and these risks are significantly amplified when snow, ice, and a particularly high trailer are involved. They called in an expert operator for this, because one small mistake here could lead to an absolute disaster. The tension is incredibly high. The Benny TP cargo bull with hydraulic door handles challenging loading tasks with ease. It's designed to manage massive rock blocks without damaging the skip, mitigating risks often associated with heavy loads. The hydraulic opening system at the rear streamlines both loading and unloading, contributing to quicker, safer, and more efficient operations. Meet the Caterpillar D7R2, driven by the renowned 3176 engine. Its deep, steady rumble signals a machine built for serious work. As the engine comes to life, a sense of purpose fills the scene, a quiet reminder of the strength behind every push forward. Meet the Komatsu D375A-5, a 67-ton machine built in 2009 with 525 horsepower. After 11,000 hours of work, it still runs strong. Precision built for tough jobs, this Japanese bulldozer is power in motion. Watch how this Volvo L220F handles a massive 20 cubic meter bucket of wood chips. The movement is fluid, precise, and controlled. In the hands of a skilled operator, a machine of this size can move with surprising finesse. It's like a ballet of power. Let's travel back in time to the Soviet era and meet a true legend. This is the K700 Kirovets. Born in the 1960s, this articulated tractor was the heart of Soviet agriculture. Famous for its simple design and incredible durability, it was a symbol of mechanical might across vast farmlands. This is every operator's worst nightmare. A massive excavator, swallowed by mud. The tracks spin uselessly. The machine is heavy and the ground is unforgiving. Getting stuck is one thing, but getting a machine this size free is a monumental challenge. The battle against nature has just begun. If you liked the video, comment 1. If you thought it was boring, comment 0. Transporting a machine this large is no small task. Watch as the Poklin excavator is carefully unloaded from the trailer. Every movement is deliberate, each step measured, balancing precision with risk in a process that demands total concentration. A beaver dam has flooded nearly 10 acres of lowland, causing the water level to rise dangerously. To prevent further damage, an excavator is brought in to dismantle the blockage. As the dam breaks, a rush of water escapes, restoring the flow and easing the pressure on the land. We've seen power, we've seen precision. Now prepare to meet the king. This is the Caterpillar 994, the largest wheel loader in the world. It's in a class all by itself. Capable of moving tons of material in a single scoop, this machine is the absolute pinnacle of size and engineering might. A true titan among giants. You've just seen machines and men at their very best. Want more like this? Smash that subscribe and ride along with Green Tech every week.